Woke up groggy, stiff, and already behind before the day began? That's not just fatigue, it's blocked energy and tension waiting to be released. Let's hit the mat. You don't need caffeine yet, just this flow. Start in downward dog, hips high, heels reaching down. Feel the stretch through your calves, hamstrings, and upper back. Now slowly ripple your spine forward into cobra. Hips drop, chest lifts, shoulders back. This move clears out sleep from your spine like a sunrise hitting a dark room. I promise within seconds you'll feel your blood wake up and your breath deepen. Did you know this combo activates both your sympathetic and parasympathetic systems? That means you're waking up and grounding yourself at the same time. Beginners, bend your knees. Advanced, add breath to movement rhythm. Hold for 5. Now push back. Last, down dog. Feel that energy rise? That just unlocked your back. Now let's open the hips. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge. Right elbow drops toward the mat. Then twist open. Right hand to the sky. This is called the world's greatest stretch for a reason. It's got everything. Hips, spine, hamstrings, chest, and breath. I promise, do this consistently and your posture, digestion, and mental clarity improve. Yes, all from one move. Do you feel that yet? If not, lower your back knee and deepen your reach. Hold for 5, and let that go and get ready to switch sides. Same move, other side. Step your left foot forward, elbow toward the floor, then open your chest to the sky. Feel the asymmetry? That's normal. This side might be tighter. Breathe into that space. Remember, every breath is telling your nervous system, I'm safe, I'm ready. Now hold it for 5 and rise out of it slowly. We've opened the body. Now let's loosen the hips. Stand tall, hands on hips. Now start drawing big, slow circles with your pelvis, like you're rolling tension out of your lower back. Switch directions after 30 seconds. This one feels playful, but it's powerful. It decompresses your lumbar spine and mobilizes everything around your core and hips. Here's a fun fact. Most people lose this range of motion by age 35. You're reclaiming it. Can you make your next circle smoother and bigger without forcing? That's your foundation. Let's stretch the sides now. Zip your right leg out to the side in a wide kneeling position. Right forearm on the thigh and reach to the left. Making gentle arm circles. This isn't just a side stretch, it's a posture reset. Feel the tension under your ribs? That's your fascia unwinding. Beginners, keep it shallow and supported. Advanced, sink deeper and extend fully. Ask yourself, can I breathe fuller on this side now? Hold for 5. Let's switch. Same setup, left foot wide, left forearm on thigh, leaning to the right. This side might feel tighter or easier, just pay attention. Stretching your side body first thing expands your breath and improves spinal alignment for the entire day. Ready to finish strong? Let's rise up and close with one final challenge. Stand tall, hands from your hips, reach toward the floor. Now gently sweep your hands side to side across your toes. Keep it light, relaxed. Each sweep dynamically lengthens your hamstrings. Each breath helps decompress your spine. I promise ending with this resets everything we just opened. Try to hold the deepest part of your fold for the last 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Feel that grounded energy? This is how we end, steady, open, and clear. Your hips don't just help you move, they are where stress hides. This movement is your first unlock of the day. Start kneeling with your toes untucked. Sit back toward your heels, then thrust your hips forward, squeezing your glutes at the top. Use control, not momentum. Feel the front of your hips open and your core begin to switch on. I promise this fires up your glutes, opens the hip flexors, and teaches your spine how to stack properly. So you move with power, not pain. Beginners, place a cushion under your knees. Advanced, pause at the top and add 3-second glute holds. Stay with it. You're already shifting from sluggish to strong, and we're only getting warmer. Here's a secret weapon for waking up the hips without waking up the neighbors. These slow, controlled circles target muscles we rarely use, but always depend on. From a kneeling position, start drawing half circles with your hips, forward, side, back. Keep your chest tall and breathe into the movement. I promise this loosens deep pelvic muscles, supports your lower spine, and sets the foundation for better balance and stability all day. Beginners, keep the circle smaller. Advanced, add a slight twist at the end of each sweep. This move mimics the way toddlers naturally warm up before they walk, because movement is built into us. Five more seconds. Stay in it. Ready to go full circle? Now, let's let your hips flow freely. Begin to draw full, smooth circles with your hips, clockwise first. This is your moment to reconnect with rhythm. Let the movement be fluid. Let the tension break apart. I promise this reboots joint hydration in the hips and lower spine, improves coordination, and activates your deep core without a single crunch. Beginners, place hands on hips for control. Advanced, try it hands-free or with eyes closed for balance training. Now reverse the direction. Can you keep the same control going the other way? This isn't just movement, it's mastery. Let's ground it now with strength and length. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge, right knee on the mat, inhale and sweep your arms up. Exhale, lean gently forward. Feel the stretch in your right hip. This is your reset for everything that gets tight from sitting. And if you've been sedentary lately, this is where the healing starts. I promise this opens your PCOS, improves circulation to your legs and brain, and brings calm to your breath. Beginners, place both hands on your front knee. Advanced, add gentle pulses or side bends. Hold here for 5 more seconds, then breathe in. We're about to bounce the other side. Now step your right foot forward, sink into the stretch, arms reach up, hips press forward. This side might feel tighter, that's okay, don't force it. Breathe through it. This isn't just about flexibility, it's about moving through tension with grace. I promise this anchors your pelvis, improves your walking gait, and protects your lower back, especially if you sit or drive often. Beginners, use blocks or books under your hands. Advanced, close your eyes and hold steady for 5 more seconds. Can you feel the shift already? That just unlocked your hips. Now let's lock in the reset.